A common assumption is that holding assets in a family trust or company places them beyond the reach of a property settlement. That assumption is often wrong, and acting on it without legal advice can create serious problems. Australian family courts have broad power to examine the substance of arrangements, not just their legal form. If you or your former partner has effective control over a trust or company, and that entity holds assets accumulated during the relationship, the court can take those assets into account. The question the court asks is not who legally owns this, it's who really controls it and who has benefited from it. There are several things the court looks at. First, who controls the trustee? If one party is the trustee or controls the trustee, that's significant. Second, the history of distributions. Has money flowed to one or both parties? Third, when was the structure set up and why? A trust created for genuine commercial reasons before the relationship is treated very differently to one set up during separation to shelter assets. And fourth, how has it actually operated in practice? Not every trust falls into the property pool. A trust established by a third party, like a parent's estate, that has genuinely operated independently with a separate trustee and limited involvement from either party may be treated as truly separate. And where genuine third-party beneficiaries or shareholders exist, the court must be careful not to defeat their interests. The most common mistakes in complex settlements are failing to identify all interests held through trusts and companies, undervaluing those interests, overlooking self-managed super funds that are intertwined with business structures, and attempting to negotiate without specialist advice. The bottom line, if your situation involves family trusts, companies, business interests, or SMSFs, get proper legal and financial advice before you negotiate anything. The assets involved are often significant, and the mistakes are difficult, sometimes impossible, to undo. Cudmore Legal, family law done properly. Call 1300 Cudmore or visit cudmorelegal.com.au.